Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic. But before starting a new topic, I want to tell you a story. Here in this picture you can see a boy was sitting in a garden and there are some other thing also. There are two trees, sun, flowers and everything. Do you know who is the boy is? This boy is Sanjit. He was sitting in a garden and he was thinking how far the sun was. He saw the rays of a sun falling on the plants at different angles. He felt that the geometrical concept and shapes were present all around. He was sitting in a garden and he was thinking that sun is too far from earth, but its rays come into the earth and it describes things and shows other angles. So this is the chapter is all about the geometry. Geometry means shapes, angles and so on. Geometry is all about the study of angles, shapes, lines and so many things. So let us learn some basic shapes. Here you can see some shapes. This is known as our basic shapes. Triangle, rectangle, square, circle and oval. These shapes also known as a 2D shape. 2D means 2 dimension. This is having 2 dimension, that means length and width. Here you can see some example of 3D shapes. 3D shape means which is having 3 dimensions: length, height and width. This is cuboid, cube, sphere, cone, cylinder.
Today we are going to do new topic in geometry, which is angles. What is the angles? See, two rays with a common end point form an angle. Two rays मिलकर एक common end point पे अगर end होती है तो वो angles होते हैं. Symbol of angle this. See here we have two rays like this. This point is known as A and this point is known as B. Make one angle with a common end point which is O. Here, classification of angles. You see three angles are here: acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. In acute angle, an angle which is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree, we known as acute angle. See here, angle ABC. Now next is right angle. An angle which is 90 degree is known as right angle. See here, x, y, z perpendicular on z and y. So angle x, y, z equals to 90 degree. Obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle. Angle RST is known as obtuse angle. Next, straight angle. In this angle, we measure 180 degree is known as straight angle. See here, straight line is here, okay, which is measure 180 degree. Angle LNM equals to 180. Next is complete angle. Complete angle is known as 360 degree because 360 degree is complete of the given points. See here we have D, E, F. 3 points are here. Straight line is here, which is measure 360 degree. So complete angle is known as 360 degree. Angle DEF equals to 360 degree. Now, relationship between polygon shapes and angles. You all know about polygon shapes and angles. What is polygon shapes? A shape pentagon. Now you see, in this triangle, 3 angles are there. 1, 2 and 3. Now next, in rectangle we have 4 angles. How many angles in the rectangle? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now next thing, 1 angle, 2 angle, 3, 4, 5. It means in pentagon we have 5 angles. So you see relationship between polygon shapes and